So today we check this one also. We see if they have resources, and we will see if they have more space, because honey flow is going on from September, and if they have a space we check it. If it's not, we put another brood box on it, and we just want to see how is the population going on and how the queen doing. So I'm seeing 1, 2, 3 frames, maybe it's empty. So they have a little bit of space so far. I'm not worried about space now. Just worrying, checking about they have enough resources. See some pollen here. Some pollen down here. I don't know, these white things. I think they are kind of white pollen or something. I don't know. So, these two frames stick together. They just this is also full of nectar, and I'm seeing the white pollen something. It's also nectar, pollen also. This frame is heavy. Oh, it's beautiful nectar and honey on the top, down nectar with pollen. This side is also pollen and nectar, so it's packed up. Beautiful honey frame. This frame is brood on the bottom with pollen and nectar, and the top is capped honey. Beautifully. Look at this one. It's a lovely frame. I can see some young larvae. Beautiful. These are very gentle bees. I just smoked the entrance. That's it. They're very gentle. It's beautiful frame of eggs and different sizes, stages of brood. Honey on the top, pollen on the sides. Beautifully this side too. You can see lots of eggs laid by queen. It's end of October almost, so they're still, she's just still on laying. Very good. Oh, it's a beautiful frame of brood. It's already full brood. Top is a little bit capped honey. These sides are a little bit different colors of pollen. It's beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful frame of fresh laid eggs on the bottom. and nectar, pollen. Look like beautiful nectar. So these are not done yet completely. The backs comb is a little bit left, so you have to be very careful when you're lifting this foundationless frames. You might be flip it a little bit and will drop. You will kill your bees, or maybe you will kill the queen. You never know, you know. Oh, this one is beautiful frame. You see lots of nectar, honey, and beautiful frame of brood on the bottom. It's beautiful. This is a lovely frame. Not spot queen yet, but I'm sure she's here because I saw fresh laid eggs. She's been laid today. This is a beautiful frame of brood. Another beautiful frame of brood. I can see the queen is yellow dot. She's walking around. It's beautiful. This queen is from 2017. As you can see, I clipped the wings, which I'm not promoting this. You should never clip the wings of your queen. Let them live naturally, and I don't want to torture them. I don't want to do this. It was my mistake, I did it. But I love to leave them like that, naturally. Some people saying they will feel pain when you cut it because there's a nerves on their wings. I don't know. But it's like, I don't like it. I did it, but it was my last one. And the first one. I'm not gonna do it again. I have like 10 colonies. I'm not doing that. So this is a beautiful frame of nectar, pollen, different stages. It's beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna put back this. I don't need to give them more brood box because they have a space. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put it back. They have a lot of sources, and then I'm gonna let them do the rest of their job. I'm not gonna disturb them. The bees know what to do. You don't need to be worried. You have to be very. Just let them do what they want to do. So they know what to do and what to not do. Yep, thank you so much.